is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Hello there, welcome once again to Art Attack, the big art show that gives your eyeballs a shock. And that is exactly what I'm going to do in the next couple of minutes. Come and have a look at this. Right, plop those down there. Got that, got that, got that. I've been dying to try this one out on you all week. All you need is a photograph from a magazine or a poster of anyone you like, famous person, pop star, but the picture must be roughly the same size as your face and looking to the front. So, OK, let's have a look at what we've got here then. Now, that's looking forward. Good picture, but it's too small, so we get rid of that. Bring that one in. Now, that's a good size, same size as my face, but he's looking to one side, so that's no good. What about this poster? Ah, well, that's perfect. It's just a bit bigger than my head, which is good, and it's looking to the front, so I'll use that one. So, OK, when you've chosen your picture, what you need to do is you need to stick it onto some card. I'm going to do this using some of this sticky stuff. I'm just going to splash it on there so I can show you what to do. You notice I'm just sticking the top half on. You'll see why in a minute. Then you take a pen and you draw right round the edge of the head, going all the way round the hairline there, right round the top. There's all the way round the head. Cut the ears off, and then you go across the eye, just across the bottom of the eye, across the bridge of the nose, again, across the bottom of the eye, as if you were drawing glasses on it. And back to the beginning. Then you draw circles around the pupils of the eye, the black bits in the middle. And then you cut all of that out, and you're left with something that looks like that. You notice I've even done the eyes. Then you turn it over, and you have the card on the back. Take two lengths of string, roughly about 40 centimetres each. That's it, I always get tied up with the string. Get some sellotape. Put the sellotape onto the string there, another one there, and then it is ready. Are you ready? Here we go. Boo! Brilliant, isn't it, eh? What a weird effect. Now, the reason that this works is because it's a photograph and the colour of the skin blends in with my own skin. Now, if you think that is weird, just take a look at that. That is my own photograph, and it still looks very strange, doesn't it? Try it yourself. Why not give your mates a mask attack?
It's the head again. Now, oh, look, forget it, will you? I've told you, I do the impressions. I do a good impression of the Queen. Stay away from the corgis. Look, pack it. Look, no one will ever believe that you're the Queen, all right? It's...